Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Check the links in the description for the best deals on the products I'm about to review, and leave me navigation system you think is the best. Missing turns, relying on outdated phone maps, or struggling with tiny screens can quickly turn any drive into a stressful experience. In this video, I'm solving that problem by walking you through the best 5 car in-dash navigation systems available right now, helping you choose the right one for clearer directions, safer driving, and a smoother overall experience. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. The Podofo Radio is a budget-friendly in-dash navigation and multimedia unit designed to modernize older vehicles. It features a touchscreen display, built-in GPS navigation support, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calls and audio streaming, FM radio, USB and SD card inputs, and compatibility with rear-view cameras. The unit typically runs on an Android-based platform, allowing access to navigation apps, music playback, and smartphone integration, while the double-din design ensures it fits many factory dashboards and supports steering wheel controls for added convenience. The Podofo Radio stands out because it offers a wide range of features at an affordable price, making it a solid choice for drivers who want navigation and entertainment without overspending. It is best suited for daily commuters and budget-conscious car owners looking for an all-in-one upgrade. The interface may feel slightly less polished compared to premium brands, but for the price, it is still worth buying. The ATOTO A6PF Android double-din car stereo delivers a powerful in-dash navigation experience with a fast Android operating system and a high-resolution touchscreen. It includes a built-in GPS receiver, Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth, multiple USB ports, expandable storage, and support for popular navigation apps such as Google Maps and Waze. The system also offers hands-free calling, customizable audio controls with an equalizer, and compatibility with backup cameras and steering wheel controls for a seamless driving experience. What makes the ATOTO A6PF stand out is its speed, customization options, and smartphone-like functionality built directly into your dashboard. It is ideal for tech-savvy drivers who want real-time navigation, app flexibility, and voice control on the road. The setup process can take a little time, but once configured, it delivers excellent performance and value. The McNally RANTAB 7 7-inch GPS truck Navigator is a dedicated navigation device designed primarily for professional drivers. It features a bright 7-inch touchscreen, built-in GPS navigation with truck-specific routing, lane guidance, speed limit alerts, and routing based on vehicle size and weight. The device includes lifetime map updates, Wi-Fi connectivity for easy updates, and detailed points of interest tailored for long-distance and commercial driving. This navigator stands out for its accuracy and specialized routing, making it best for truck drivers, RV owners, and anyone who needs reliable navigation without distractions. It provides confidence on long trips by helping drivers avoid restricted roads and low clearances. The lack of multimedia features limits its versatility, but as a navigation-focused device, it is absolutely worth buying. The Garmin DriveSmart 76 is a premium 7-inch car GPS navigator known for its clarity and reliability. It offers built-in GPS navigation with detailed maps, real-time traffic updates when paired with a smartphone, voice-activated navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and smart notifications. The system includes driver alerts, lane assist, speed limit warnings, and points of interest, all displayed on a crisp and responsive touchscreen with regular map updates. Garmin's reputation for precision makes the DriveSmart 76 an excellent choice for drivers who want dependable navigation without relying on phone apps. It is best suited for commuters, road trippers, and drivers who prefer a distraction-free navigation experience. While it does not include full multimedia features, its navigation performance alone makes it worth buying. The TsuperU LCD touchscreen takes the top spot as a well-rounded in-dash navigation and multimedia solution. It features a large touchscreen display, built-in GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, smartphone integration, media playback options, and compatibility with backup cameras. The interface is designed for clear visuals, responsive controls, and smooth performance, helping drivers stay focused while navigating. What makes the TsuperU LCD touchscreen stand out is its balance of navigation accuracy, entertainment features, and ease of use, making it ideal for drivers who want a complete dashboard upgrade. It is best suited for car owners looking to combine navigation, connectivity, and media into one system. While it may not offer as many advanced customization options as high-end Android units, it still delivers excellent value and is worth buying. That wraps up our countdown of the best 5 car in-dash navigation systems available right now. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you choose the right navigation upgrade for your car, make sure to subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals on these products, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences. Your support helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next video.